New York City, get ready for the Sounds of Reggae concert, Sunday, December 13th, featuring Shaggy with Friends.
If I love you, love me right now. The kind of love we keep you coming back.
It's Shaggy with Friends.
Honey gave me that she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door.
Oh, you think the woman access to your villa? Just for son of witness all the
Along with Reggae Greats Third World. And just added to the spectacular lineup, Kymani Marley.
When you come around, I get the chills on me.
Live at King's Theater at 1027 Flatbush Avenue, Sunday, December 13th. Doors open at 6 p.m. Showtime is at 7 p.m. It's Shaggy with Friends.
Only love can conquer all the moon mountains.
Tickets are on sale now through Ticketmaster.com and at KingsTheater.com. Also available at the King's Theater box office. For further info and tickets, call 718-282-8041. That's 718-282-8041. New York City, get ready for the Sounds of Reggae concert.